Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Bose S1 Pro Plus on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write Bose. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it. I recommend it to sign in into your account, because sometimes you can't add your device without signing into your account. So write email right here and password near to it, or you can create account by press at the create one button. After you wrote it, click sign in with email. Then click Hello in nearby device access and Hello. Now it's up to you. Do you need an if you don't need the application, click No thanks, but I'm going to turn on this application, so I'm going to turn on and Hello. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!